Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get unbanned on TikTok. Believe me, you can get your account unbanned. It's easy to do. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to go to your profile. So tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then you need to click these three lines in the top right corner. Next, click on this Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down here and you can find this Report a Problem option under the Support. Now you need to go to Account and Profile option in here. And then you can tap on this Manage Account option. You can find this Hacked Account option in the very bottom, so tap on it. This says if you notice any suspicious behavior, your account might be hacked. You can go through this, and even if your account might not be hacked, if basically you got banned because you were liking or commenting or doing something sketchy, you can act like it was just hacked. So you go through here and you can just click on this no option. So it says didn't solve my problem, you still have a problem. And here you can send a message to TikTok saying that my account has been banned not because of my activity but because it been hacked. So ask them to remove the account ban. After you type your message, then you can click this report button in here. However, TikTok is pretty quick in responding any kind of hacked account. Therefore, the ban on your account can be removed quickly.